Hello you gorgeous people of the interwebs, welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are having a fan-dabby dozy day. I am Gwenny and I love luxury in all of its glorious forms. Today I'm sharing with you a little cheeky jewellery and a Luisa unboxing. Before we get into the unbagging, unboxing and subsequent jewellery swap, I just want to say I hope you're all doing really well. The weather is good where you are, you're all safe. Fiesta! Please do let YouTube know if you like this video by giving it the thumbs up love, hitting that subscribe button and ringing my bell so you know when I upload the next one. Right, so I don't want this to be a particularly long video because I'm going to struggle a little bit with the jewellery swap bit because I'm on my own, husband's working, and I'm going to have to fiddle around, and I cut my nails so they're really short, so clasps and things are going to be a bit difficult. But let me tell you a little story. I will link the video down below so you can see just how I disgraced myself with one of my favourite YouTubers. But I did win a competition. It was a Caitlin Pulowski competition and it was for a piece of Ana Luisa jewellery, and it arrived in this box. Like I said, I will link the video down below so you can go and check it out, and believe me, I did disgrace myself. Fangirled all over the place. Anyway, it came in this box and it came in this little dust bag. It also came with a nice little note on the tag and this little cleaning cloth, and it's this gold double wrap bracelet with some pale pink thread, woven through. And of course I've heard about Ana Luisa from other YouTubers who'd gone into collaboration with her. I believe Melbourne's done some earrings with Ana Luisa, and I thought I'll go and check them out. I checked them out and I liked what I saw. They're all about sustainability, so they use recycled metals. Apparently, I'm not entirely sure if this is true, but I have heard from, as I said, other YouTubers, that the jewellery is actually made in the same workshops as Tiffany jewellery, which I think we can all agree gives it a certain pedigree. And they want to make their jewellery really affordable. Now, if you have seen some of my other videos, you may be aware when I've talked about jewellery, I haven't talked about jewellery a lot, but what I have said is I'm quite lazy when it comes to jewellery. I like to put stuff on, my bracelets, my earrings, my necklaces, blah blah blah. I put stuff on and I like to leave it on for weeks, months, and then do a big change out, which is what I'm going to do today. I'm going to swap out for some yellow gold jewellery, but it has to be stuff that I can wear in the shower. Now, I've not worn this a huge amount because of the pink thread. I can't wear it in the shower because I don't want to ruin the thread, so I need to remember to put this on, take it off. So I like to put on jewellery that can stay on and withstand pretty much anything. So when I went to the website to have a look and see if there was anything I'd like to buy for myself, I noticed that they were running a promotion which was buy one get one 35% off. Please excuse background noise, I've got the window open. Summer 35, that's the code to use. So I thought, I like the sound of this company, I like what they do. They're running a promotion at the moment. What better time would there be to buy something? So I ordered a few bits and it came in this bag, and let's get into it. So my goodies are in here. When I came to checking out, I thought I don't really need the fancy packaging. I already have this lovely box of my prize from Caitlin Pulowski, so I thought I'm going to save that. Don't need the extra packaging, don't need to pay for it, so I'll just take it as it comes. And it came in this little box, so it's still nice and secure and in the bubble wrapped envelope. And if I can remember how to get in, oh yeah, that's it. Lifts up like this, and it's just the jewellery pouches and a little thank you card which reads, "We've always had a thing for silver linings and gold ones too, so thank you for thinking of us as a small way to brighten a day. Hit pause and enjoy little moments of beauty. Take a deep breath and let it all go." That's quite a nice little message and a nice little reminder to pause and enjoy the moment. In this moment I have got oh look, even that's made of recycled cardboard. Oh look! And a cheeky little message in there. Smaller packaging, less waste, more love. So I've got 2 pouches, but I did actually buy 3 items. I'm going to show them to you now. And I will link everything down below. In pouch number 1, we have these very cool, very snazzy, kind of safety pinny, yeah, safety pin style earrings. These are called Sia. Again, everything will be linked below. And on the back of the card that they're on, they've even got this lovely little message. They look good attached to me, even better attached to you. I think we can see why I like these particular earrings. They're very cool. I haven't tried... Oh, and they open like a safety pin as well. That's going to be interesting getting them in my ears. That's the first thing I bought. The second item I bought is these lovely little huggy earrings. And on the back of this card we have Hope, Love, Create. So I bought my gold stud earrings from a brand called Pravins, which I absolutely love, but they're quite big. I bought the bigger versions rather than the smaller versions because they didn't have all of the different shapes. I got stars, I got pyramids, I got domes, I've got something else, I can't remember. Oh, squares. And they were all available in the larger size, but they weren't all available in the smaller size. So I went for the larger size. I've got 2 holes in this ear. I've got 3 holes in this ear, but they're all quite close together. So it kind of looks like someone's gone a bit crazy with a riveter on this ear, and they're all kind of bunched together. And when I wear my white gold with diamonds, I do like to wear hoops. Although I do have white gold studs, I very rarely wear them. So that's why I wanted to try these huggies, and if I like them, I can order more of them and I can just stack the huggies. And this last piece comes in this very exciting little piece of cardboard. And while I love the earrings and I'm excited about the earrings, this is my game changer piece. This is potentially my game changer. And this is just a yellow gold plated chain extender. I have been looking for one of these for years. I've been into jewellers and I've said, do you have any chain extenders in gold? And they've said, no, but what you could do is you could purchase one of our necklaces and then pay us to have that necklace adjusted, so you end up with a little... And I don't think that's a really good deal for me. So when I saw they had these available, I thought, get one, try one. It's going to be an absolute game changer for me. I'm going to be able to wear necklaces that I've not been able to wear in years. As I've gotten a little bit older and a little bit chunkier, some of my necklaces that I've had since I was a small child no longer fit me. It's quite warm again today. It's raining, but it's warm. So I'm going to clip my hair up because out goes the white gold and diamonds, and in comes some yellow gold. So a lot of these pieces are pieces that I have had for a very, very long time. The identity bracelet I've had since I was about 3. It was made for me in Dubai. So was the necklace. Quite a short chain for me now. This is what I'm excited for, the chain extender. The bangle was given to me by my grandmother, my teta, on the day of my my first wedding. I am on my 2nd marriage. I was very young when I got married the first time. So I've had that bangle for 24 years. I've had the necklace and the bracelet for 42 years. So I've had those for a while. It's quite rare for me to actually buy new jewellery. The only new item is the star bracelet, which I bought from Pravins, or actually I took my husband in to show it to him in Pravins, and when I said to them, I'll take it, he swooped in with his card and paid for it for me, which was very, very sweet of him. And the little earring is one that my mum gave me as a pair of earrings when I was about 14, and I promptly lost one of them straight away. But as I have an odd number of holes in my ears, I thought it would be quite nice to have that in rather than one of my studs. But we'll see how it goes. It might look a bit weird, so I might swap out for one of my studs after all. Right, let's get into the jewellery swap. Okay, so I'm all in. I've got my yellow gold stack, and don't forget the safety pin trick. Pop the end bit of your bracelet chain through the safety pin, hold it like that, and then you can easily pull the clasp over and clip it into place. rather than chasing it around your wrist, which is what I was doing for years before I learned about this. I don't know if I discovered it or someone told me about it, and if I can't get husband to do it, which is my usual go-to. So my stack is done on my wrist. My necklace is on, and you can see where this currently sits on me. It's a bit stabby in the throat there. I forgot to mention this is actually my name. This is my name. It's a bit longer than Gwenny, but it is my name. So I haven't got the extender on it now, and this is the thing that I'm really excited about. I'm going to pop the extender on now, pop it on, and see how it looks. Because I absolutely can't sleep in this at the moment because it just stabs me in the throat, and I wake up and I've got a little red. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Stupidly excited for a small piece of chain. That's much better. See how that's sitting on my neck now? Oh, wonderful. I love it. I also think it might be good because another pair of earrings. There are another pair of necklaces that I like to wear together, and they've got thin chains like this. So I'm wondering if I'd be able to actually clasp both of them onto this one extender, and it might help keep them sort of sitting nicely, maybe. Don't know. Gonna have to try that out, but watch this space. So the earrings are in. Absolutely love the Huggies. Fabulous. I'm going to order more of those immediately, if not sooner, as my granddad used to say. And the Sia, they're a little bit more of a faff. The Huggies are on a hinge, so they're really easy to open and then snap shut. These open like a safety pin, so you've got to do that. But they didn't open very far, kind of opened to there. So if my earlobe looks a little bit red, it's because on this side, for some reason, seems to be a bit thicker and chunkier than this side. I don't know why that would be. It's got me concerned now. But it's a bit chunkier on this side, so it's a bit more difficult to get in. I think I may have actually bent it slightly on the outside because it looks quite flat. So I'm wondering if I've bent this bit. I might need to have another look. I wouldn't recommend taking these in and out all of the time, just because of the way you have to actually force the metal very slightly. I think they look fab. And on this side I've got the Huggy at the top. I actually went for one of my studs instead of my mum's earring, because it did look weird, and then my other Sia at the bottom. Part of me is thinking move this Sia safety pin over to this side, then I've got two safety pins in this side, and then Huggy, stud, Huggy. We'll see. I can play around with it, and the best thing is it's actually so affordable that you could potentially just pick up a few extra pieces and play around with them. Yeah, so I have to say I am really impressed. These feel nice. The fact that I don't have to take these out for showering and stuff like that is brilliant for me. Oh, forgot to say, you may have also noticed that with the exception of my prize bracelet, all of my gold jewellery is very plain. That's because I love diamonds, but I don't love them in yellow gold. In fact, one of my tennis bracelets, this one, the smaller one, I'd actually bought from my stepmum, and it was in a rub over setting in yellow gold. Absolutely adored it, wore it, didn't like it on me. I don't like diamonds in yellow gold on me. I don't understand why. That's one of the reasons I like Pravin's jewellers, is their selection of plain gold jewellery is actually really rather good, and it's 18 carat. You will also notice that this side has stayed white gold and bling. This side stays pretty much the same all the time, and this is the side. Ears, throat and right, this is what changes. This stays the same. I don't wear my tennis bracelets all of the time, so normally it's just a watch, which is either my Cartier or my Tag, which is a big chunky silver and black ceramic, and this gorgeous little beaded bracelet with a little star on it that hubby gave me for Christmas, and my wedding engagement ring. So that's it for my Anna Luisa unboxing. I would say go and check them out. there is the Summer 35 discount code still on at the moment. I think that's on probably for about another week or so. I will link all of these items down below. If you wanted to get these as a gift for someone, go for the gift packaging. It's really, really cute. I love it. And I can't remember if I said I got a lovely email from David, and it was kind of a follow-up thank you email with a little bit more information about the company and how they like to work. And as I said, I'm all about that recycled metals and sustainability. I think it's an absolute fantastic thing to do. So if you enjoyed my Ana Luisa unboxing and jewellery swap out video, then please do give it the thumbs up, love. Hit that subscribe button and ring my bell, and I will see you for the next video. Until then, stay safe, stay happy, stay glorious. I know you're glorious. Stay fan-dabby-dozy, and bye-bye!